Hello guys, my name is Musal Keltins and we bring it to you like it is. You know, this is your show, the political show, your favorite political show on the web space right now, the most popular and the trendy. We give it to you all of the trending basketballs and it's happening, what is happening, our own opinion and analysis of the political issues in the country. And you know, with me, Eva.
It's Adenike Shobo and this is the KOKO in Nigeria. On the show today, we bring you a very interesting discussion that is hot on the front burner in the Nigerian politics. Over the weekend, there were reports, there were news, and there were rumors that the Nigerian Senate Committee proposed and recommended the creation of 20 new states to join the 36 that we have currently in the Federation. And although the Nigerian Senate has come out to clarify that neither did it propose nor recommend the creation of the states, but this is just a report on what Nigerians have said. So apparently, Nigerians want 20 more states to be created from the 36 that we have on ground.
I think it is quite interesting. You know, looking at it, the first question would be, what is wrong with the old configuration or setting that is in place before? Why are they throwing it out? You know, 36 states, weren't they functioning?
But they're not throwing it out, they just want to add more.
They're throwing out this old system.
Okay.
It's just, you know, okay, without going, you know, off point and just let's jump into it and we look at it. The first state on the list is Ita State. Ita State
from Akwa Ibom.
From Akwa Ibom. Akwa Ibom State was created from Cross River State. So Akwa Ibom clamored back then that it was a minority state or a minority group in Cross River, and they are different from people in Cross River State.
And so they broke it down.
They broke it down. Now,
and now we want to break it down
them again.
more.
So I hold the opinion that there's no real reason or no necessity for this if everyone actually feels that their Nigerians are not holding allegiance to their ethnicity or their tribe. You know, let's just do it and then, you know, going further. Another state after Ita State is state status.
The status for the FCT.
So people in Abuja or the indigenes in Abuja before the federal city was moved there are saying they are not getting their fair share. We also need to take us into consideration. Give us our own states.
Our own state.
We want our own governor, our own house of assembly.
You know,
move the federal, you know, the office of the federation away from us and go and set up somewhere else.
I have not said that really.
That is what it is.
Concerning the 20 new states, it's going to be the proposed 20 new states that want to be created. I feel like there's no need, it's not necessary. You know, we have 36 states, and actually we have 3 states that are the economy hub, and whereby they are the one that make the economy of this country stand out. We have Port Harcourt, Abuja, and Lagos. So those 3 states are, I think, they make the money and generate more income for the country. So they should actually work on developing other states that need to grow, road network, farming, agriculture, and the like. So I think they should focus more on other states than creating more states. My own point of view.
Okay, the third state here is Katagum, and that is seriously, I agree with that, because Bauchi is so big, for crying out loud, very big. If you're in Bauchi, before you move from one local government to another, you spend 2 hours on a straight road, no traffic like Lagos.
So just because of, do you not think just because of land mass?
I feel that should be a reason. I feel that should be a reason. And then we move on to Okura and Okun states that they wanted to join from Kogi State. I know you have a reservation for that.
Of course I do. Okura, Okun, you are Yoruba speaking side of Kogi. We are the Ibira speaking or the Igala speaking side. If there is a minority in these places who feel, are you saying you guys don't have people representing in the National Assembly? Are you saying you guys don't have people? What exactly is the problem? It just boils down to the fact that everybody don't see each other. Like probably what Buhari said one time, there's too much affinity to hold on to our tribalistic connection and holding on to our ethnic. Everybody holding on their ethnic lineages and religion and whatever.
Well, sincerely, I really do not agree with you, but of course,
Also, there's the Gurara state from southern Kaduna. I mean, from Kaduna South.
Yeah,
so,
Kaduna is big. Well, I
Kaduna
still hold that point that this landmass, this width of the states should be a factor that should allow the creation of more states. I still do.
A state might be big. Okay, just to throw light on this, Texas in America is almost as big as Nigeria.
But they have good administration. They have the way they run the states. I'm not saying we do
so
not
that
have
is good. It's
Nigeria.
bad administration. That's what you're saying. Bad administration or bad governance.
That has always been our problem. Anyway,
Then that necessarily doesn't mean
we need to divide.
Divide and create more states.
Well,
buying the fact that the secessionist group everywhere saying they want to create Igbo, and then that means you create them after people still say we need to create smaller states within ourselves.
Another state that caught my attention here is the excision. No, Ijebu. I quite agree with the Ijebu because there are different forms of Ijebu too. Ijebu Igbo, Ijebu this and that and those. So I quite agree. It's just like this Katagum from Bauchi State. But this one, excision of Abba State, Abba State from Abia. They just want to paralyze that state for crying out loud. And that's the same thing I would see to Bayajida from the parts of Kaduna, Jigawa, and Zamfara. Because this part is Katsina, sorry. Because I feel this is the part where they found the gold in Zamfara. And then you now want to take it away. You want to say, okay, this is our own. So we are now the original owners of the gold. That same thing applies to Torogbene and the Oil River State. From Bayelsa, Delta, and Rivers State. Exactly.
That's the reason.
Exactly. That's what I feel.
It's not necessarily because they have different cultural.
I don't think so. I just feel this is selfish.
Okay. So what about?
You're going to paralyze every other part of the state.
Nah. You see, we are mistaken by saying that. If your state governors or your state works properly, you don't necessarily need until you have all
but
of the
these resources are the things that you also rely on in your states. These are the resources. Imagine if you now take that part, the oil reverse part away from Delta and every other place. So the oil making states are now in
oil rivers calling for. There's even Anioma states clamoring for them to
I get that, but I'm just using this as instance. So let's say all the oil making states, all the oil making areas, regions, and now in one state. No, it won't be nice.
To my own personal opinion, if they had new more states and it will help in bringing development, to allow this development to circulate, so I think it's a wise decision. But if the government know that we are creating, they won't be able to make this development goes round, please. We don't need to have more injury to more sort of injury. But my own personal opinion, if they create more states and it will increase development in Nigeria and make development go around, so that other states, other people will not, other tribes will not feel that they're being marginalized and everything.
Oh, so now
it would be nice.
But
it would be nice because
other states to go on. Well,
because of their land mass, they are big. Do you know the number of Ijebus that we have?
Ijebu communities, though.
Of course, yes.
So another one that caught my attention, why I feel like it is so unnecessary, is the Ibadan state. What are they?
From
they speak the same language with Oyo.
I agree with you on that.
They claim they are from the Oyo Empire. Where are you going? Why are you moving away?
I agree with you on that.
So
I agree with you on that.
Saying the other state, I think we missed out on. Tiga state from Kano state, Gari state from Kano state, also Amana state from Adamawa, Gongola state from Adamawa, Mambila state from Taraba.
I like the sound, Mambila.
Savannah state from Borno state.
Savannah.
Titi state from the southeast. I don't even understand this one.
From southeast zone, they want to pick them from here and there and there and there. You know.
Are you sure? That's what
I don't know.
Then the other state from Imo. So what they're saying now, what I know about these places, or like just like saying for Enugu, other states from Enugu, is I know all of Igbos speak in a particular dialect, or I'm not dialect, a particular language. So I don't understand why.
But I guess there will be little.
I don't in Imo.
Well,
little.
We never can tell, you know.
And then there's still there in that same Imo. There's the Injaba also calling for the president, you know, from Imo State, and Nyoma from Delta. Well, I have said it, made my point, and said, okay, if the old state or the old structure or configuration or federation system was working properly, I don't think there will be calls for new states to be.
So are you saying Nigeria as it is not working properly?
It's not, of course, it's not working properly.
So probably that's the reason that we have all of this, you know, people calling for
Well, let's wrap it up. It's been a fantastic show with you
Yeah.
guys this week.
Very fantastic.
We went through the 20 states that that have been proposed by Nigerians, saying they want to move out of their current configuration and stand on their own. And remember, they still want to stay in the Nigerian configuration.
Yeah, unlike the secessions that we have from
groups.
Yoruba
And I think
nation.
some of these agitators are part of the reasons why there are problems in the country, or why there's so much shouts and clamoring in the country. Well, as we wrap up today, my name remains Nosal Chaotins, and
I am Adenike Layoshobo. Remember to like, to share, to subscribe to our channel, and then give your comments in the comment section below. As always, this is
the KOKO in Naija.